Here we have a bug fix branch with two commits, B1 and B2. Let's say we're done here, so we do a merge. Now these commits, B1 and B2, are part of the history of master, right? But what if these commits are not good quality commits? Maybe they're too fine-grained, or they don't represent a single logical change set. Maybe we have mixed different things in each commit, so these commits are not good quality commits. Perhaps we added these commits as checkpoints along the way. So we don't really care about the history of the bug fix branch. So we don't want these commits to pollute the history of our master branch. In situations like this, we have a better solution called squash merging. So let's undo the merge. We're going to create a new commit that combines all the changes in the bug fix branch. So we have a single logical change set that represents all the changes for fixing this bug. Now we can apply this commit on top of master. This is what we call squash merging. Now, what you need to pay attention to here is that this new commit is not a merge commit because it doesn't have two parents. It doesn't have a reference to B2. It's just a regular commit that we have added on top of master. Now we're done with the bug fix branch, so we can delete it, and we are left with a simple, clean, and linear history. This is the benefit of squash merging, but it doesn't mean you should use this technique all the time. You should use it with small, short-lived branches with bad history, like bug fixes or features that you can implement in a few hours or in a day. Now let's see squash merging in action. So let's start off by creating a new branch called bugfix/photo upload. In this branch, we're going to make two commits, and in each commit, I'm going to update one file. So let's echo bugfix to audience.txt. Now we're going to commit. Using -a option, we're going to stage and commit all the changes in one step. We talked about this at the beginning of the course, remember? So let's give it a message. Update audience.txt. Now let's make a second commit. So echo bugfix to table of content.txt. Once again, we're going to commit all the changes in one step and say update table of content.txt. So here we have two commits. Let's look at our history. So git log, one line, all graph. So our bug fix branch is two commits ahead of master, the first commit and the second commit. Now in this case, we can do a fast forward merge, but let's say the master branch has evolved and we're not going to do a fast forward merge. So instead of doing a regular merge, which adds a merge commit, we're going to do a squash merge. So first we switch to the master branch, git switch master. Now in the past, we typed git merge bugfix/photo upload. Now here we're going to add an option called --squash. Let's see what happens. Git created a new commit called a squash commit, which combines the changes across these two files. But we don't have a commit yet. All these changes are in our staging area. Let me show you. So git status -s. Look, both these files are modified and they're staged. So now we have to make a commit. So git commit -m. Here we type a meaningful message that represents all the changes in our bug fix branch. So we say, fix the bug on the photo upload page. All right, let's go. Let's bring up the history. So here on master, we have a new commit that combines all the changes for fixing this bug. So once we remove the bug fix branch, we're going to end up with a simple, clean, linear history. But before doing this, let me show you something. I'm currently on master. Earlier, I showed you how to view the merged branches. We type git branch --merged. Look, our new branch, bugfix/photo upload, is not in this list because technically we don't have a merge commit that connects these two branches. So when doing a squash merge, it's super important to remove your target branch. Otherwise, that branch will be sitting there and may create confusion in the future. For example, you might run git branch --no merged and think you haven't merged this branch into master. This is confusing. So we type git branch -d to remove bugfix/photo upload. Now we're going to get an error. Can you tell why? Take a look. The branch photo upload is not fully merged because once again, Git does not see this as a real merge. So here we have to enforce the deletion using a capital D. Okay, our branch is gone. Let's look at our history one more time. So we have a simple linear history. We have a single commit that combines all the changes for fixing the bug on the photo upload page. One last thing before we finish this lesson. When applying a squash merge on top of master, we might end up with conflicts. The process for resolving conflicts is exactly like before. So we bring up our merge tool, resolve the conflicts, and then make a commit.